are you doing? You got a new one, didn't you? That's not the same one you had before.
It's the one I've had forever. This is in storage.
No, it's not.
Yes. Do you like Millie?
Yes.
Please tell me what Millie did last night.
Why do I have to be on the camera?
I'm recording you. Come here.
I don't like being on the camera.
What did Millie do last night?
She woke me up. And because she was biting my arm and scratching it at the same time.
Do Millie and Missy get along?
No. Millie was hissing at Missy.
And what was Missy doing?
Going crazy.
Barking at her?
No. She was just really hyper.
Missy tried to get in the hot tub last night.
Really?
Yes, Samantha was trying to drag her in. Here's what we have so far. So it's getting there.
For sure. For sure. What happened?
Oh.
Are you sure you didn't think you saw it?
And I spilled coffee on my shirt on the way over here, just if you want to see.
No, I saw ones that said Land Cruiser with like silver. This?
Anyway,
it was silver?
We will return. What would you like to say about the bonfire today?
Well, it's a beautiful day. We have our lovely friends.
You sound just like
Is that all?
my videos when I was 3. Well, it's very nice to have Samantha in our family.
I'm grateful for the weather. I hate to be cold, so I'm very grateful for the blue sky.
What do you have to say about the dust that your husband spread on everyone when he got here?
Annoying. Just flat out annoying.
There you have it.
Like
straight from Leanne. Annoying.
Can you check back with me in about 30 minutes after I drink my little, oh, maybe we shouldn't say this on camera.
Oh, too late.
One of these. Little Smirnoffs.
Okay.
But then it's a candy pipe.
Well,
I know.
you said little Smirnoff. That's not little.
No, no little. It's only a 12 ouncer.
Isn't that like that looks like a 40 to me.
It's only a small 12 ouncer. Little miniature.
We secretly have drinking a wine cooler. Sure, enjoying that.
What were we talking about?
Boy,
What
look
did
how
you
she's
ask
holding
me? Was
that.
I what?
Look at that. So good. Friends, bonfire alert. Bonfire alert. Bonfire alert. 2 more guests are arriving. Bonfire alert. Bonfire alert. Here they come around the outhouses.
Saturday.
It looks like Gio and Matt. Bonfire alert. Bonfire alert.
Paul, you have got to stop. Look at Paul. Because when we watch that video, we're going to be so irritated listening to you.
I like it.
That's okay. I'll be crying on the ground, so I'll be entertained.
I don't like it.
No, it's annoying. Paul, stop.
Bonfire alert. Bonfire alert. I'm sorry, honey, but there's going to be many bonfire alerts today, so please.
Why are they all sitting over there?
Hi, girls. We just came up with a new term. So, like they have in the Spanish culture, which of course we are Spanish. See, my arm is brown. They have quinceañeras, but since this is your first bonfire, we've deemed it a boncinera.
What is it?
Why don't you do Rodriguez?
Yeah.
Rodriguez. I like it. I like that.
You like that? Okay. Can you say it?
Jeremy. How do you say it again?
Bon. Si. Ne. Da.
What did you call it?
Cool. First we have Gio. Hello, Gio. Can we get a few words from you at the boncinera?
Tired.
Tired? You're a young man. I'm 44. I'm the only one with an excuse to be tired. How old are you? You're like 22, right?
Oh,
How old are you? 12? And you're tired? We want to get some personal interviews for the invitees to the Morad bonfire.
The what?
No, it's the Monriguez.
Monriguez?
No, it's actually called a boncinera. We'll tell you about that later, yeah.
Cool.
So how are you?
Better?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have a camera?
Nah. I have 2.
You gonna take some video?
Uh-huh.
Are you?
Are you?
Yeah.
Me too.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Me too. I just want to say one thing.
Okay.
No tengo dinero.
I have a response to that. Yo tampoco. Personally, if you ask me, I think he's making a big fuss about that leg. Because usually if you have a sprained ankle, maybe you put a little wrap on it. But he's got about 36 pounds of wrapping on that thing. Gotcha. Hi, Ben. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Welcome to the bonfire. The fire's not going yet, as we can see. Dinner is right here. It is still not cooked. We have hot dogs here that are collecting salmonella, but they'll be all right once you burn them a little bit.
Okay, cool.
So how are you?
Great.
Good.
Yep.
How were the waves?
Terrible.
Did you ride a long one?
No.
Nope.
Didn't ride anything.
Oh,
Sorry.
well. Maybe next time.
I hope so.
Okay, until later. Hi, Marilyn.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Stop that. We're here with Mantha, driving her first rush hour traffic. So first we'll show Mantha. She's kind of shy right now because she doesn't know what to do. So this is what she is dealing with right here. We have music, so we're okay, but this is major Santa Cruz rush hour traffic. It's almost 6 o'clock on a Friday.
Tell the date.
People are getting home. Today is September 8th,
2006.
It would show that on my digital camera, however, I've been too lazy to learn how to use it and set the time. Anyway, Samantha, how do you like driving in rush hour traffic?
I would like it more if there was not a video camera shoved up my nose.
I don't think it's quite shoved up your nose.
Watch, the white truck has big crack in the windshield.
Okay, so, well, there goes a motorcycle. Might be Mark, my study, but who knows?
Should I merge?
No, you shouldn't. This is good practice for you to deal with all this traffic coming down the hill here.
Are you watching the traffic for me?
I'm trying to, but I'm trying to film too.
It's kind of
Okay, you see that guy went kind of crazy. Just stay in your lane, you'll be fine. Let who you can in and...
No, this little white car is not...
Yeah, okay, he's
this
in.
one can get in, but not
Okay.
this one.
Well, I think she wants to get in too, so you better let her in. And she looks mad.
Annoying.
See, look at her. She's got a mad look on her face. We better just let her in and stay away from her. Now she's cutting across. Ay, 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 what is wrong with that head? See, and she didn't get any further.
Oh, I got further.
Yes. So anyway, we're about to sign off now. Any last words?
I will never be recorded driving again.
Thank you.